The surface area to volume ratio changes depending on the size of a cube. So here's a cube with side lengths of 2 centimetres. The surface area of this cube has faces of length 2 centimetres is 24 centimetres squared. So surface area, so for this surface here it's 2 centimetres times 2 centimetres. 2 times 2 is 4. And this cube has got 6 surfaces. Here's one, there's a second surface, there's a third surface, a fourth surface is there on that side. The fifth surface is on the back there, and the sixth surface will be on the bottom. So a cube has got 6 surfaces. So if one surface has a surface area of 4 centimetres, 6 times 4 is 24 centimetres, and that's what we've recorded there, 24 centimetres squared. The volume of this cube is 8 centimetres cubed. And we of course work out volume by going 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So the volume is 8 centimetre cubed. So the surface area to volume ratio here, if we take 24 and divide it by 8, so to work out the ratio, we divide by the smallest number. The smallest number is the volume. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. So when we divide by the smallest number, it makes the smallest number the number 1. And 24 is going to be the bigger number, so when that's going to be 3, so it's 3 to 1. Okay, so what we need to do is complete the table to give the surface areas, volumes, and surface areas to volume ratio for some other cubes. So a 1 centimetre square cube, to start with, well, that's going to be 1 times 1 for this surface, and remember there's 6 surfaces in a cube, so that's going to be 6. And 1 times 1 times 1 is going to be 1. So that's going to be a 6 to 1 ratio because we've already got the number 1 there. Next one, a 3 centimetre square cubed. Well, 3 times 3 to give the area of one surface is 9. So 9 times, and there's 6 faces on a cube, so 9 times 6 is 54. So that's going to be 54 there. So to do the volume of this 3 centimetre cube, it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Times 9 is going to... Sorry, 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is 27. I say 54 divided by 27. That's going to be 2, isn't it? So that's going to be 2 to 1. 54 divided by 27 is 2. So 2 to 1 for that one. Last one here, 4 centimetres squared. So 4 times 4 is going to be 16. 16 times 6, because of course there's a 6 faces again, 6 sixes are 36. That's going to be 96. So that's going to be 96 centimetres squared. Volume this time is going to be, what do we say, 4. So 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. So if we take 96 and divide it by 64, that's going to be 1.5. So that's going to be, now we can't have a ratio 1.5 to 1 because a half isn't a whole number. So what we just need to do is keep adding this ratio to itself until we get a whole number. So if we add 1.5 to 1 to 1.5 to 1, we get 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. And if we add 1 plus 1, we get 2. So the ratio here is going to be 3 to 2. So let's just cross that bit of working out and leave the answer there, 3 to 2. All these questions and more on elsham-chemistry.com.